Okay, good afternoon. So, by the way, I'm Engineer Eugene Lotivio. So, I'm from Presidium.Ph Corporation. My discussion is actually about the illuminating efficiency, energy audit, and their environmental footprint. So, actually, it's a broad topic, but I will try to make it short. Okay. Okay. So, the question is how would you know if you had a savings opportunity in your facilities? Okay, but because nowadays po, we are trying to look for the savings, lalo po sa energy. And of course, we have a lot of solutions, and that solution, sometimes we don't know if is it efficient or not. Okay, so sa Fluke po, we have a different type of solutions like energy logger. We have a different test instruments that you can monitor your energy. Because according po sa ating RA 11285, kung makikita nyo po, this is all about the energy audit. Okay? Then, and why do we need to do an energy audit? Basically, most of the time, we invest a lot of equipments, but sometimes we don't know how to maintain it. Okay? Because sometimes, nowadays, like for example, we are using the LED. Why LED? Because it is related to the power. Okay? Before we are using the incandescent, but that is an old and traditional light. But nowadays, due to the pace advance of the technology, we use the LED. But sometimes we don't know the graph or the effect of those technology on our raw power. That's why the Fluke has a test instrument to check those graph. Okay? And in terms of energy audit, you have only 3 steps lang. Okay? That is, one is to commit. Of course, you have to commit energy savings, access current energy performance, and prepare for an energy audit. Of, yan. The next, of course, execute. Okay? So you have to conduct the energy audit, that is, quantify the savings potential, create action plan, and implement the improvements. So if you check the other solutions, most likely like the installing cap bank, installing power inverters, etc. Sometimes we don't see the power problem or power quality issues. Okay, so one of our customer is from the Advanced Energy. They have a thermal imaging, no? So that's a very good product on our part because they want to see the temperature difference of their PSU. So we have a lot of solution actually on Flux. So it's a broad and a large topic. Okay. The next is sustain. So if you have you're trying to execute the energy audit, of course you have to sustain it. Just sustain and continuously monitor improvements, and of course verify savings. Okay. And as you can see, we have a different use about the energy. And the direction of the government is actually, it's more on the renewable energy. And we have a lot of problems about power shortage. We have a lot of problems sa coal and etc. Then of course, we have to start on the lower part, a simple community like a simple barangay. They should be aware on their energy consumption. Kaya nga we have some news na tumaas ang kuryente, meron some news na bumaba ang kuryente. So it depends, no, how we consume our energy. But the direction of the Department of Energy and other government third body, isa lang po ang kanilang goal, okay? To have an energy savings. And of course, you can check those if you have an instrument like Fluke. Okay? And of course, according po sa DOE, Filipinos' awareness on energy savings increases. Yes. So papansin po natin, every summer, mainit, then we turn on all of our air conditioning. And of course, our consumption, of course, will go high. So, but of course, with the savings, it could help on our sa maintenance, facilities, and etc. And actually, we have a different type of a Fluke Energy Assessment Kit. Okay, so this one that you can use on your energy, like for example, the lux meter or the light meter. Sometimes, we use the LED or CFL or etc. But we have to check the lumens. Okay, kasi we don't want to be super bright. Okay, like for example, in this hall, in this room. So, they are different lumens. Okay? So, meron po si Fluke po niyan. And multimeter, and basically, clamp meter, and ultrasonic, thermal camera, airflow, three-phase logger, thermometer, temperature, and humidity meter. All of those Fluke as a kit ay ginagamit po yan for the energy. And of course, si Fluke, hindi lang po, it's more on energy. We have products that can help on your applications like on the power electronics. We have a thermal camera that are focused on the electronics. Okay, so I think it is a separate discussion. But of course, as you can see, here's the different product of our company. That is, as you can see, we have the leak detector. So nowadays, most of the leaks on the semicon company, they are using the pressurized piping system. Sometimes they don't see the air leaks. So we have the ultrasonic leak imager that you can see in instant of your air leaks. Okay, as long as it's pressurized. Okay, then we have a lux meter, multimeter, and of course the power logger. Okay, so ayun. So again, thank you so much, and hoping you have the idea on our products. Any questions?
Any questions from the floor? Okay, Engineer Eugene. So, question ko po, dun sa yung Presidium.Ph, aside from providing Fluke and the actual like instruments, do you also provide like energy audit as a service? As in the audit as a service, do you provide it as a service?
For the energy audit service, we have a partner to do that. Actually, the company is a provider of a test instrument, but good thing on our company, we provide solutions. Like for example, how to use the product itself. And of course, we have a lot of actually seminars, trainings about the energy audit. So we are trying to help those company or in servicing company that what Fluke products that can help on their energy audit. Even private company, government. So we are trying to do but the services is not our scope.
Any other questions? Okay, so thank you, Sir Eugene. So we'd like to present this certificate of appreciation to Engineer Eugene Lotivio for sharing their invaluable insight and work on eliminating efficiency, energy audits, and their environmental footprint during the NEECECON 2024, given this 19th day of July at Novotel, Quezon City, Philippines, signed by our Director, Lou Andrew Tria.